We're all from creative backgrounds, and so from the very beginning, we set out to build tools that supported the needs of other creatives and people like ourselves.
Specifically, we wanted to build tools that helped eliminate the barrier between thought and creation. And we thought at the center of that was a tool that was very natural to us from very early on. JOT's evolution has always been about how do we make it incredibly easy for you to get whatever you're thinking about onto a piece of paper.
With JOT Touch 4, we really wanted to focus in on digital artists and build a tool that fit their needs and help them be more productive, create more naturally to what they're used to in a digital format.
Now we've added Palm Rejection. This is a huge leap forward. Artists had been having a hard time drawing. It was unnatural when you're trying to draw on a tablet and your palm draw a line. That's not how paper works. It's not how a canvas works. And so with JOT Touch 4, we've been able to sync up things so that the screen can now be smarter. It can now know what a stylus is versus a finger versus your palm.
A stylus shouldn't be another tool that you need to learn and create with differently. It should react the way that the tools you're used to react.
Pressure sensitivity was a really important feature for us to put into JOT Touch. It really made drawing lines on a screen feel very natural. Instead of using algorithms that associated to speed, it could actually react to the weight of your hand. It started feeling more personal, more you.
In addition to making the integration of the SDK, the 4 lines of code, very simple, we've also made the ease of connection for the user incredibly easy. One touch of a button and you're off and running, and that's it.
The original JOT Touch with Bluetooth 2.1 was overly complex in its SDK. But with Bluetooth 4, we've stepped back and we've rebuilt that engine. It's allowed us to communicate more data. It's allowed us to be smarter about how we do palm rejection. It's also allowed us to make it easier for the customer to connect to any app that they want to.
Our goal with all these improvements was to allow you to create like you're used to. Now you can focus on your creations and not your devices.
We're excited to introduce you to JOT Touch 4. Go create.